I don't want to go outside.
Oh
I'm
shit.
jumping. I'm jumping. I am jumping on the roof.
Chainsaw man? Chainsaw man? Where are you? I got a stick.
All right, they're back on. I'm gonna jump over there.
Oh,
Oh,
Simon!
this is Sawyer.
Oh no. Oh shit, Dana, where is he? I found him! I found him! I found him! Kill his ass! Get pinched with the stick! Kill his ass. I only have a
He's
stick.
gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me.
I only have a stick. Oh, he one-shot me.
Says you only have 60 ping. I think it's because I exited the game real quick.
Oh. What's that sound? Chainsaw man! Chainsaw! Reload! Reload! Reload!
I'm dead.
Oh, dude, I'm out of ammo.
Jump, 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 jump.
Oh, Glock man!
Jump, nigga. I don't even know what's happening right
How do I go down?
Uh.
Thank you. Where you at? You chilling on a bush? Oh, let me kill this dude that killed me. Wait, there's a guy downstairs.
Where's this chainsaw, nigga?
Wait, he doesn't die! I ran out of ammo!
Where is he?
He's downstairs. I'm looking at him. Oh, I have a knife.
He doesn't die.
Michael Myers, gonna die.
First. Well, he doesn't die.
What do you mean doesn't die?
He doesn't die. Oh.
See, I'm on bullets and shit, bro.
Well, I don't know if I want to go down here.
Found me a gun. It's a dead end.
I don't want to find this chainsaw, dude. What?
Chainsaw dude! Oh shit! Dude, don't die. I'm floating! Why am I floating? Why am I floating?
He doesn't die.
Keep
Oh
floating.
my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Dude, we can't move. Dude, turn off these hacks. I can't move. Where is he?
Like, completely? Or you want the super jump?
Where is he? No!
I'm right here.
Alright, just stay here. I'm gonna bring him. Oh no! Oh, dude, it's coming. Dude, it's coming. Oh my god.
Oh.
Dude.
Nope. Nope. Running.
Dude, I'm so scared to come down these stairs.
I don't blame you. I heard this shit. I'm already outside.
Where'd you at? Ah! Ah! Holy shit. Oh, he's there.
Is he coming?
Where is he? I see him. Damn, I got no ammo, but I think he's
Where
stuck.
is
He's right there.
No, he'll get unstuck. I promise you. Don't move.
I don't think you're hitting me.
I don't want to move. He's not dying.
Why is he not dying?
I don't want to go down there. Please don't move, because last time I moved, he bum rushed my ass. Hold on. Is this hitbox broken or something? Do I gotta aim it that way? He's invincible! Boy, what are we gonna do?
I don't know, I have no ammo though. Hold on, get
Holy
back.
dog.
Get back, get back.
What are you doing?
Oh! Oh my god, that's actually like too funny.
He won't die.
You won't die. How are we supposed to get past him?
Alright, Pulley, run. Oh,
Hold on, let me go for it.
doesn't that mean he should float too? Oh, you scared the fuck out of me.
What?
Oh shit. Wait. Oh!
Daniel, no! Like, you want to go all the way back there? I'll lure him, okay?
Alright. Pulley, I might die, but I die.
No, trust me, stay back here. Go right here and just point at this door. I'll lure him to the door. Okay?
Alright.
Fire! No! Okay, I'm gonna bring him.
Just tell me when to turn on the axe.
Oh, turn on the axe! Killed me!
Dude, like,
How are we supposed to kill this dude?